Planning a move can be stressful, and many people turn to Bellhop for moving services. But most beginners make mistakes that cost money or cause delays. Let's break it down so you use Bellhop properly. First, the biggest mistake is underestimating the time needed. Bellhop provides hourly movers, but beginners often book too short a window. You should always overestimate by at least an hour to avoid rushing or extra charges. Another common error is miscommunicating items. Bellhop requires a clear list of what you are moving, especially bulky or fragile items. Failing to mention pianos, large furniture, or delicate artwork can lead to unexpected fees. You won't believe how many users skip insurance options. Bellhop offers basic coverage, but for high-value items, consider extra protection. Accidents are rare, but they happen, and beginners who skip insurance can face costly losses. The surprising truth is that tipping is optional, but common. Bellhop movers work hard, and a fair tip, usually 15–20%, goes a long way. Some beginners don't budget for it, which can be awkward on moving day. Another mistake is ignoring timing logistics. Movers can be delayed by traffic, weather, or building regulations. Communicate early with Bellhop and your building management to avoid surprises. In conclusion, using Bellhop properly means overestimating time, clearly listing all items, considering insurance, budgeting for tips, and planning for timing logistics. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your move will be smooth and stress-free. Subscribe for more moving tips and honest reviews of services like Bellhop.